published 1913 EDT, 26 September 2017 updated 1914 EDT, 26 September 2017 Barcelona seem very focused on the job in hand as they trained on Tuesday ahead of their Champions League trip to Sporting CP. Lionel Messi and co took part in what seemed to be a relaxed training session at the Alvalade XXI stadium in Lisbon as they gear up for their Group D clash on Wednesday. Barcelona are in sensational form at the moment and have won their last 7 games, scoring 21 times and conceding only twice. Lionel Messi and his Barcelona teammates trained in Lisbon ahead of game with Sporting CP. The Barcelona players looked focused and relaxed as they took part in the session, but boss Ernesto Valverde isn't looking any further ahead and simply wants another 3 points to add to their tally following the comprehensive 30-home victory over Juventus earlier this month. "To be honest, I'll be happy just winning tomorrow. I don't look any further than that," he told a news conference on Tuesday. "We don't seem to just talk about winning one trophy anymore, it's now trebles and sextets. Let's just win the game tomorrow." Barca boss Ernesto Valverde oversees training as he aims for another victory on Wednesday. Luis Suarez and Messi stand with each other during the session at the Alvalade XXI stadium. "If you win, everything's rosy. If you don't, it's the opposite. We know how it works." Sporting have been in a rich run of form themselves, winning 8 of their last 11 games and haven't lost a competitive game at home since May. "Sporting are a very strong team," Valverde said. "They had a great season last year and have started well this year. We'll have to be really careful with their wide players, who are very quick. They like to dominate the ball, so we need to take the initiative. We also need to be careful of them on the counter-attack." The Argentina international controls and passes the ball in a small technical circle training drill.